Hello and welcome to the Banker's View from Sibos video series, filmed here on location in London. I'm Joy Macknight, Managing Editor of The Banker. And with me is Dave Kretz, Head of Global Strategy and Payments, Global Transaction Services at Bank of America, ahead of the start of the conference. Dave, thanks so much for joining me.
Thank you, Joy.
So Sibos is in London for the first time. And even though we're a bit ahead of the start of the conference, what would you say are going to be the hot topics this year?
From a macro perspective, we'll hear a conversation about trade flows. From a product perspective, a lot about real-time payments. And then, of course, innovation will lead to discussion about blockchain and, to a certain extent, cryptocurrency.
What is really driving the move to real-time payments across the globe in all these different jurisdictions?
As with anything, it starts with client needs. There's increased demand for immediate, low-value payments to support gig economy transactions, immediate payroll, consumer refunds. It all starts with the consumers. To a certain extent, it's spurred on by government, but really it starts with consumers and business transactions.
And then how are emerging technologies really enabling that business to consumer and also the low-value payments?
So of course you have the rail, which is real-time payments, but then there's the user experience, which of course leads into mobile and wallet, which are very user-friendly.
So cybersecurity is always a big topic at Sibos. How is Bank of America working with other financial institutions to, really take the fight to the criminals?
So here we really appreciate the leadership of SWIFT. The customer security program rolled out a few years ago is a great use to us and our clients to drive good conversation about practices, about technology, and about how to secure each other.
And my last question is really about driving efficiencies through automation. How is Bank of America, really helping its clients drive, manual processes and paper out of their business?
So for us, the journey began well before the advent of AI or machine learning. We've been working on STP for many, many years and had great success even in difficult markets. So we've been at it for a long time. Now, with these new technologies available, we apply it towards customer service, product fulfillment, KYC in a way that really tries to remove all the manual effort where it shouldn't be and allows the remaining conversation to be about learning.
Okay, great. Well, thank you so much for your insights, Dave.
Thank
I
you.
hope you have a very good conference.
And you.